Here we have two of the most common options that you're going to need to put line set on your 7176 Sanden compressor. So this is the SD7 compressor. You can see here on the label, it's a 7176. This is going to be the mini compressor that Sanden makes. These are super common and very good compressors. So you have two options, one of doing a straight line set or a 90-degree line set, and this is going to be a number 10 and number 8 outlet. So your high pressure line is a number 8, which is a 3/4 16 thread, and the number 10 is going to be your low pressure return side, which is a 7/8 14. That's going to be the same on the straight and on the 90-degree. You can see the straight fitting here also has two O-rings, which are not needed because when you look here at the compressor and you take this block off plate off, you'll see it already has the seals in it. That way you can just put this straight on there, put your line set on, and then put your two bolts in it. Simple as that.